Hello, this is the second episode of my Python series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some basic programming, print statements, stuff like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your project, and it'll open it, and you can, let's wait till this is, okay, so the first command you would need to learn is print. So you type it in like this. Now also you can do PR and then you're gonna find these, but you want to go down. This is the cool thing about Python. Makes it easy. Use the arrow keys. When you're typing in, it'll look like this. You want to click the arrow keys down and click enter. It's gonna type that in for you. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to do quotes, so it knows it's not doing a variable. So you're gonna want to do print hello. Oops. Yeah. Hello world. Now we run it. There we go. Hello world. That's awesome. Now, something I didn't explain is how to run a file. So I'm just going to create a new file. And so now when I try to run it, it's not here. Oh no, how do I run it? Well, you don't want to click this run button up here. I want to click the run dot dot dot. If you do this, it's just the same as clicking this button right here. You want to do run dot dot dot. Click that, and then number 2. Well, this one right here should always be the one that you're selected. So file. Now I can run that file. That's cool. So, but I like this file, so I don't want that one. Or let's delete it because I don't really want to do anything with it. So now we just have this file. Now I have an idea. How about we open I think it's the command line. So it's the interpreter. Code. I forget how to do this. 1 second. Here it is. Run Python console. Now we can open the Python console. So now we can type in code without having to run it all as one big block. We can define variables, so this is new. I'm going to do variable equals 1. Cool. Now, instead of using the quotes to do variable, if I do that, it's going to print variable. But I did the up arrow, by the way, to redo that, the up arrow. But if I get rid of the quotes, it prints 1. Why did it print 1? I didn't say print 1. I can do print 1 because 1 is a variable and it doesn't need these quotes around it. So it knows that it's text. But why I typed print variable, not print 1? Well, now it's going to look for a variable because it's non-quotes. It's going to look for the word variable. And up here it said variable equals 1. So it knows, okay, that's saying, okay, I need to print 1 because variable equals 1. So print 1, there you go. That's how we do that. Now, well, what should I cover now? Let's set variable let's do other var equals 2. Cool. So, well, that doesn't really do anything. Let's do print variable plus other var. We get 3. Well, why didn't it print 12? I mean, I typed variable plus other var, but it printed 3. That's because other var equals 2 and variable equals 1. And it did. Okay, let's just make this 1. And let's just make this 2. Print 1 plus 2. Oh, that's simple. That's 3. I can also do it in this way. Like that. But if I try it like this, I don't think it'll work. Nope, it doesn't like it. That's only in the command line. It's an exclusive feature for the console, I mean. So now let's get into redefining variables. Variable equals 2. Now print variable plus other var is 4. So I can redefine variable equals 1, and now it's variable equals 2. So this is 2 because variable equals 2, and this is 2 because other var equals 2. So that's cool. But what if I want it to print 44? Well, actually that's a little complex. We'll get into that later. But let's say I want that to be a sentence. I want it to say hi and then 4. Well, there's 2 ways we can do that. We can either do it like this, print hi plus variable plus other var. Oh no, what happened? Okay, hold on. What you're going to do, since that didn't work, because what we would want to do is we want to do variable plus, let's do both equals variable plus other var. Now we can do, I typed in the exact same thing. Plus both. And that didn't work either. Oh, I've got it. We don't want to type integer like that. And that didn't work. Okay, just mind, like, go away. Just forget all that you just saw, okay? Can I do this? That's command line only. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do now, well, so there's only one way to do it now, I guess. Print hi, and then I'll show you more about this, %s. And that may seem a little complex to you right now, but you'll understand what it means in a second. Okay. I just played around with it and I figured it out. Because I know it, but I haven't done Python in a while, so hi %s right here, and it says, okay, that percent, that means both. So both equals 4. Now we get hi 4. I want it to be no space, so we can redo that. Close. Oh, sorry, wrong space. We can delete this. Okay, so you can delete this, and there, my 4. Now, actually, I think it looks better before. But what if we want it to say 4 again? And do %s. Whoops. %s again. But oh no, it only wrong character. It doesn't like that. Wait, we have 2 %s's. What we're gonna do is we want to type comma, %, and then both. Hold on, let me just figure this out. Okay, sorry about that. Sounds like I'm a bad teacher. But I kind of forget, and I looked it up, and I can't find any good explanations right now. So But this can do more powerful things. Instead of doing like we were before, like print print I plus 1. Oops. Oh, I know. Plus there, I plus 1. Instead of having to do that, we can we do this? No, okay. Instead of having to do that, we can do something like, instead of also having, and if we wanted more after that, we don't have to do that. So what we can do, which would be a lot better, is we can do print hi hello, and then here we can put our %s, put our brackets in there, parentheses in there, and then %, and then let's have a % can be 1. Cool. We did the same exact thing, except this. Which one looks simpler? I think this one, I'd say. But anyone is, whichever one is you can use. This one is simpler. This one is more complex, but more is tidier. And if you have this a lot more times, like if you have a lot more of these like that, then it's gonna be, this way is gonna be a lot smaller and more compact. Now you can do stuff like this. You can, but right now I'm kind of forgetting how to do it. So I'll get back to that on the next episode. But basics of programming. Now, I hope you understand what this video taught you. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Hope you learned something. If not, rewatch it, and thanks for watching. Bye.